manually made in 1986 until now, they still do it manually. Why? Because they want to maintain the standard length and the standard size of the Barquillos powder. So this one is what we call the Barquillos Medium. So this one is what they use for halo-halo. It's what we can see at Mang Inasal or in other hotels. This is what we use because it's more rich in premium and flavor. Then we also have in the 2020s, we also have the flavored biyayas. We have mango. And if you are a coffee lover, you have biyaya coffee as well. We also have biyaya cinnamon, and we also have biyaya thin. So why biyaya thin? So this one is pellet sugar. Thin crust, it's like pizza. But the filling inside is raw muscovado. So muscovado sugar is healthy. So that's why it's the sugar. So the filling inside is a powder form. And then here we have the award certification of Coco. So Coco is a multi-award. It's called the most trusted pasalubong brand store. So it's the back-to-back award. Started in 2011, and they awarded us a pasalubong center every year. So starting in 2011 until 2018, and in 1989. So this is located at UTC. Ingredients of the biyaya. We have the dough, we have the muscovado sugar, and this one is plain sugar. We have sesame seeds, and we also have flour. So first, we're gonna do the dough. We have to flat the dough first. In your hand, and then we have to flour. Gently. Not too thin, like that. And after that, take a hole in your hand. Then put it on the top. You get your muscovado sugar. You put it here. And after that, you have to push it downward. Make sure that all the muscovado sugar inside of that dough. This is how we do like siomai. After that, the excess dough here on the side, you have to fold it. Make sure that it's fully closed. Make sure that it's fully closed now. Like that. The next step, put some sesame seeds. And then get flour. Sprinkle it on the table and on the top of the dough. The next, the rolling pin we have to put some flour. And then we have to disregard the handle of the rolling pin. We have to hold it here so that we can imagine that it is a 7-up model. We have to do it manually. Okay, so next step is we have to push the dough gently to make it wider, just like that. And then we have to hold the rolling pin and push it on the middle first. So we have to push it gently and we have to roll on the top and go back down, just like that. Gently. And then we have to switch to the side and we have to roll it until it goes down. That's how you do it, how you make biyaya. Okay. So we have to take one dough each and one muscovado.
Wala akong kukuha sa akin eh.
Wala akong kukuha sa'yo. Madali mo siya sa atin. Parang mga mag-respect po lang ka niya. Yeah. Or. Yes, anak ko. Ha? Yung bag? Pangit na gawa man ako. Pangit na gawa. Dapat 3 minutes pa eh. Natin mga ano, 3 minutes, 3 minutes.
Ikaw na magluto ah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.